Customer states rattling and smoking on right side of engine. I don't know what's causing that rattling. Well, today we have a bunch of acorns in this air conditioning compressor alternator housing on a Ranger, Polaris Ranger. So I've already dug out I removed the alternator as well as the belt, cleaned out all the acorns I could by hand. There was still so much in there, and all the fuzz and everything. I just took it over to the hose, sprayed it all out, made it nice and clean. Now we're already going back together. So these Rangers, actually, this is an older one. One of their when they first came out, they had that pulley. And the special tool they released is not for that pulley. So I made one. To install the belt, there is no like sprung tensioner. So they just have you stretch the belt over the pulley. And I didn't have that special tool for the older style pulley. Now I'm using a hammer here to get the belt on the air conditioning compressor. I think there was one or two ribs that were still off. Hooking up the battery cable here and the other small connector for the alternator. And we're putting the cover back on. Assembling the machine, testing it to make sure the repairs were performed. Well, that's all for this time. We'll see you in the next one.